D7, check it out. We're going to play A minor. Easy box, dummy box. Sounds great. What, you know, why can I play A minor pentatonic over D? What's happening here? Here's D. So that's my root note. Then essentially, you know, you're playing this scale, aren't you? You know, that's like your minor pentatonic scale pattern. So here's my root. I'll join that. Here's the box. Here's what we're playing. So what are the intervals? You've got a root, a 2, a 4, a 5, a flat 7. That's it. That would be the intervals relative to D. So pretty cool. This is great. Flat 7, right? So if you're on a D7, dominant 7, that's a really good note there. This C natural on the G string. The interesting note that we don't have a third. So we'll come to that in a minute.